Explain the contingent contract. A contingent contract is a contract to do or not to do something. The contingent contract means enforceability of that contract is directly depends upon the happening or not happening of an event. Contingent contracts are the one where the promisor perform his obligation only when certain conditions are met. The contracts of insurance, indemnity, guarantee are some of the examples of the contingent contract. The contingent contract is a valid contract. But when certain conditions are imposed in this contingent contract which are impossible in nature, then that time that contract becomes void. Define the wagering agreement and is a contract of insurance is a wager. Is a contract of insurance is a wager. So what is wager? Wager means gamble, bet. Agreements by way of wager are void. No suit shall be brought for recovering anything else to be won on any wager or entrusted to any person to abide by the result of any game or other uncertain event on which any wager is made. Means as the wager means gamble or a bet, it is illegal or void in nature. That's why no remedies can be asked on such contract and a wagering agreement is absolutely void. The contract of insurance, that means the life, accident, fire, marine, etc., is not a wager agreement, and wager agreement is a void. In that gambling or betting is done. But contract of insurance is a legal contract. It cannot be said as a wager agreement. Means is a contract of insurance is a wager? No. Why? Because the insurance contract of insurance is a legal contract and wager agreement is void. That's why this contract of insurance cannot be said as a wager agreement.